Are you looking to create a category in LearnWorlds? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it step by step so you can get the most out of your LearnWorlds platform. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer for LearnWorlds and also recommending a powerful alternative that might better suit your needs. First, once you're logged into LearnWorlds, head to your Courses section. This is where you'll find the option to create your new categories. You'll want to make sure you're in the Manage view where you have full control over your site structure. Next, click on the Categories tab. This will take you to the area where all your existing categories are listed and where you can add new ones. If you're new to LearnWorlds, this is a great place to start organizing your courses into logical sections. The third thing you need to do is hit the Add Category button. This is where the fun begins, creating an organized, easy to navigate structure for your learners. You can give your category a name and then select its position. For example, if you want it to be a main category or a subcategory under a parent category, LearnWorlds lets you arrange these effortlessly. Next, don't forget to add a description. A well-written description helps your users understand what that category is about, which can make your site much more intuitive for learners to navigate. So, take a moment to be clear and concise about what each category covers. The fifth thing to do is configure any settings related to visibility. Do you want this category to be visible to everyone or just to specific learners? LearnWorlds lets you control that, which is useful if you're offering exclusive content or courses. You can also set categories as private if necessary. And now, once your category is set up, make sure you've organized your courses into the right categories. You can do this by editing each course and selecting which category it belongs to. That's it! You've just created a category in LearnWorlds, making it easier to organize your courses and enhance the learning experience for your users. Now, before you go, here's the bonus tip. LearnWorlds has a fantastic free trial offer, but I'll be honest, if you're looking for something that's a bit easier to use and maybe more flexible for your goals, there are other options out there. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific are worth considering. I've added links to those in the description, along with an exclusive offer for LearnWorlds that you won't find anywhere else. So, don't forget to check out the best free trials and exclusive benefits we've secured just for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out those alternatives and see which platform suits your needs best.